good, guys? I got another video for y'all today. So I got some new stuff for the quad. As you can see, I got some new graphics, you know what I'm saying? And I did some new stuff to it. So I'm just gonna make a video showing what I got done to my 2021 YFZ450r. You know what I'm saying? So all right, so first thing I got when I ordered a bunch of stuff was I got the, what did I get first? I think I got the seat cover first, but the seat cover like came blue, so I did my own stitching on it and put like stitched the green to match the bike. So I went to Walmart and got like a sewing machine and stitched it on, and yeah, so now it's green to match the bike. I did rewrap the muffler wrap black. I did it that, so just to go with the whole theme of the bike. Did this side cover black, and I got the cooling hose like yellowish greenish, not really, but I ordered the better color for it, so you should match it. It should come soon. I did like a custom made color to match the bike with the cooling hoses. This didn't really serve no purpose, but just to look wise, I got that. I got these Pro Taper handlebar grips. I got these, I don't know, like grips for the like the clutch lever and the brake lever, you know what I'm saying? I got these Pro Taper shock covers. They kind of fit. I don't know, I'm probably going to get like a bigger size. It doesn't really fit that well, but it looks kind of sick with it. I have a HMF pipe on the way. I ordered an HMF for it, slip-on pipe, so it was I got a pretty good deal on it, so I was like, why not, you know what I'm saying? So it's silver. I kind of wanted it to be black to like match the whole theme I got going on, like the black and green. I want to get a Vortex for it. The Vortex is just expensive. It's like really expensive for like that, so yeah. My homeboy got the Vortex and he got an RP racing exhaust, so you should check that out. I posted on my reels, not my reels, my shorts. Oreo, give me a sec, he's coming back now. But yeah, and yeah, let me give you all a walk around off the graphics. So got it off eBay. The graphics is so here's the thing, like it was supposed to be like a lighter color, and I ordered it off eBay. So the listing on the guy had on eBay was literally the same color as this, but this shit arrived like a more greener color, more than like neon yellow, but it still looks good. I like it. I mess with it, so I just kept it. So yeah, but yeah, I got my name on it, Malik, my birthday 08. This graphics looks really clean, man. I ain't gonna lie. It took about like 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half to put on. My girl helped me with half the side, and then I did the other half, so it took about an hour and a half to get put on. One side is like green, one side is like black. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, looks pretty good, man. I'm messing with it. I like the quad. I like the build so far. Not really like a lot, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing something cosmetic wise, so then yeah, I don't really care for performance because, you know what I'm saying, for me personally, it's a lot of performance. So the only thing I think I'm gonna get next is maybe just the Vortex EC, you know what I'm saying, and then the exhaust, as I said, and then that's it. I'm done, you know what I'm saying? I don't really think I need nothing else, because this shit, it gets up and goes, you know what I'm saying? It's not slow by any means, so yeah. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about the graphics, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to put a video out because I haven't posted a video in a minute, so put a video out. Let me know what y'all think about it. Yes, sir. It's getting cold out. It's crazy how like the whole time just changes. It used to be all bush, all greeny and stuff. Now look at it. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm about to put some clips in of me just doing some, you know, I forgot what they call it. It's like you need some air in it. It's look kind of flattish a little bit. Well, I forgot what they call it, but I'm gonna put some clips in, you know what I'm saying, so y'all can see it. But yeah, man, let me know if y'all enjoyed the video. Yes, sir. Let's go.
This is what you're looking for.